everybody, and welcome to ClausenWorld. As you can see, I am not out in the garden yet, but the garden is right there. I still have light. It's early evening and I will be going out in a little bit. I just got in the house. I've been out and about today. Today is my born day, and if you're not quite sure what that means, it's my birthday. And so I've been out and about. Not too much, you know, not trying to catch the sickness, but I needed to go out and pick up a few things for myself, as well as mail a few things out. So in the mail today, I received a package, and this is the main reason why I'm coming on here to talk to you guys, is I got a package today. And if you saw my last mini haul, you'll know what that logo is. This is Seeds Now. I forgot a couple of things in my last order, and as I was going through my seed box, which I have right here to my left, I thought, shoot, I knew I forgot something. If you're like me, I sometimes forget all the stuff I need when I go shopping, and then when I get home, I'm like, dang it, I forgot that thing. So I went ahead on and placed another small little order, and I put out there a code for you guys in my last haul video. Seeds Now was so gracious enough to give me a code to share with you guys. So it is on my last haul video. If you haven't seen that video, go to that video. It's actually in the title that I have a little something special for you guys down in the description box, and it is a code for Seeds Now. They have very reasonable seeds. They have a lot of stuff still in stock, and I know many of you are looking for seeds. So from Seeds Now, from me to you. All right, I just cut the top off. I'm just opening it up and I'm pulling the seeds out. And they are still generous. They have given me several little 20% off coupons. Well, all right. This might be a gift, but don't know. We'll see. All right, so I'm going to put those back in here. And I can't remember, and I don't know if I'm repeating myself because I've got a lot going on in my mind right now, and I do apologize for that. I can't remember if they're giving you guys 20% off or free shipping. But either way, something is better than nothing, right? I love either one. I love free shipping as well as percentages off. So that is Seeds Now. Loving what I've been purchasing from them so far. They gave me another Calabrese free broccoli starter kit. I picked up a rhubarb. This is a Victoria rhubarb. I've been having trouble with my rhubarb lately. I've been trying rhubarb for the better part of ever since spring. So I've been having trouble with my rhubarb. I purchased this Glaskin's rhubarb. Can you guys see that? And I've tried 3 or 4 times to get this to germinate. It germinates for me inside the greenhouse. I leave it in there till I feel like it's big enough to go outside, and I do a little bit of inside outside, you know, to acclimate it, but it still dies. So I've tried it outside here probably about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I've got something in the pot that's germinating. I think it's rhubarb, but you guys know, if you've been watching any of my videos, I companion plant, so I have a few things in that pot, but I think that one of those things is the rhubarb that's germinated. But if not, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to germinate this Victoria rhubarb. It takes about 7 to 10 days, and I'm going to put that in the garden. So I've got 2 different types of rhubarb. I'm only trying to get one, y'all, but if I end up with one Victoria and one Glaskin's, I'll be okay with that, because I would love to have some rhubarb pie. Okay, so that is the rhubarb. Let's see what else I have in this pouch. All right, I forgot what I ordered already. I picked up some Vienna red chicory. I'm going to be placing this out for my fall garden. It's a salad leaf, and so I do want to put that out there. And if I'm not mistaken, you can use the root. I have been using chicory root in my coffee, and if you all are not familiar with chicory root in your coffee, I will put a link down below so you can read up on the benefits of chicory root. And if I'm not mistaken, that is the reason why I bought this, because this is not only good for the greens, but the root itself, and that's what I'm trying to incorporate. So Verona, Verona red chicory. And I have my reading glasses on, y'all, so go figure. All right, so that is the chicory. And this one is, oh yes, I remember. This is Angelica or Angelica, however you choose to pronounce it. This is an herb, very good herb. And so I picked up that because I did forget to get that in my last haul. And so I think that's it. Trying to make sure I didn't drop anything. I have a project here on the ground that I'm working on. You guys have seen my plant, what are they called? I call them trivets, but I think they're called plant caddies. You guys have seen those in the garden in my very first video, I do believe. But I am working on putting together a plant caddy. And you have to excuse, I'm not done yet, but I'm putting together a plant caddy. So I would show you guys how I'm doing this, but it's really very simple, and mine is all jacked up right now because I don't have the right size screws. Yes, like I said, I got a lot going on in my mind today. And my screws are not the right size, so not working out the way I wanted it to, but I'm not going back out to the store. I've been running all morning, and so that's not happening. But what I can do is I will put down all of the parts that I'm using as well as where I got them. I will let you guys know the sizes of wood and what type of wood I picked up, as well as I will put a finished picture in the description box below so you guys can see my makeshift quick and easy plant trolley, caddy, trivet, whatever you call them. But this video was not about DIY because I am not a DIYer, which is why I don't have the right size screws. Like I said, crazy day today, y'all. So anyway, thanks for tuning in to this quick little video. I greatly appreciate it. I need to finish this up because I have a couple of heavy pots in the garden that need a little caddy, and that's the reason why I've created it, is because my pots are getting bigger and bigger. And if you're anything like me, you are I'm just gonna say it, I'm a middle-aged woman, and I do not need to be picking up a lot of heavy stuff, because depending on your age, you need to be mindful of your back and your knees and your hip, and you don't want to fall. And once you get to be a certain age, you think about that stuff. And so I make sure that if I have a pot that's really large that I need to move around a lot or get around, and it's just easier for me, I like to make things easier. So that's one of the reasons why I put together these quick and easy little bitty caddies or trivets or whatever they're called. It just makes it easier for me to move things around. So because, again, I'm not a DIYer, and I do not want to sit here and embarrass myself because I'm not a DIYer, I am not going to show you guys this, but I will put in the description box below what I use and how I use it so that you can put it together yourself if you are a DIYer, because I am just going to make a fool of myself. So until the next garden video, I will see you guys later. Bye, everybody. Here is my finished product, all done. Here it is in the garden under a large pot, just what I needed. Clearance rack bargain, found both of these for $1 a piece.